If you're wondering what it takes to create a viral video, then you have come to the right place, as I will break out the 5 key principles I have used to engineer virality. Yes, I said engineer virality because there is actually a process to create viral videos. Shocker, I know. Contrary to popular belief, viral videos don't just happen by luck. I'm gonna be honest. The chances of your video going viral are low. But if you stick around to the end of this video, you will know the 5 key principles that I have used to rack up millions of views across several videos that I have engineered into virality, making you that much more likely to get your video to go viral. Hi guys, Zaryn here, back again with another episode of Market and Hustle, where I simplify marketing so that you guys can grow your digital influence and your business. And if you're new to this channel, then you should consider subscribing, as I post weekly videos that cover marketing fundamentals and even break down the strategies that we cover here so that you can apply them. Now, before I jump into my top 5 principles for engineering virality, I want us to take one step back and ask the obvious question. Why do I want to make a viral video? Well, to no surprise, the most common business objective behind creating viral videos is to create brand awareness without spending a ton of money. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos, then you know that in order to get somebody's attention on social media, you must either entertain them, educate them, or inspire them. Attention is not something that users will give out for free. They have millions of things that could be distracting them at any given moment, which is why you must engineer your video for virality. With these 5 principles, you will be on your way to start doing so today. Hey guys, so the 5 main principles are telling a story, evoking emotion, making your content snackable, understanding the algorithm of the social media platform that you're using to distribute your video, and creating a call to action. So I'll quickly take you through all of these points and kind of just highlight the main things. Obviously, number 1, you want to tell a story. Why? Because information is much more digestible when we put it into a form of a story. When it has a beginning, a middle, and an end, it allows the information to be more relatable to users. Evoking emotion is very important because if right now you think about, I don't know, everything you did yesterday, what are the things that you're gonna remember? You're probably not gonna remember all the mundane things like picking up your random phone or throwing out the trash. You're gonna remember the things that were part of your day that evoked emotion. So you want to aim for your content to do just that, evoke emotion, make someone laugh, make someone cry, make them feel a sensation of joy. Whatever it is, if your video can do this, it's exponentially more likely to go viral. The next thing is you want to make it snackable. What does that mean? You want the video to be digestible based on the platform that it's on. So don't make a 20-minute video to try to post on Instagram. First of all, you're not going to be able to post it on the platform to begin with, but you want to think in context of where you're going to share your video. So if it is on Instagram, you know, a 30 to 60-second video might make sense on that platform, while on YouTube, you have a different intention of users. Usually when people go on YouTube, they're willing to spend more time watching videos. So, you know, you could have a 2 to 5 minute video that can go viral very realistically on YouTube because they have that intention that they're willing to go on the platform and spend time watching videos, while when someone's on Facebook, they might not be willing to watch a 5-minute video, and therefore it might be less likely that your video goes viral on Facebook if it's that length. I would recommend 30 seconds to 3 minutes if you are trying to get your video to go viral primarily on Facebook. Again, the platforms are different, but overall, you want to make sure that it's snackable. It pretty much gets to the point and has the information condensed for the platform. The next thing, the algorithm, super important. You have to understand how the algorithm works, and it works differently on different platforms. On YouTube, for example, you want to make sure that you understand the basic principles of SEO, search engine optimization. Understand that you want to name the file name of your video on your computer the same as the headline or the title of the video when you're publishing it. It actually makes a difference if those 2 names are not consistent. You want to understand that if you upload a transcript of what's in your video to YouTube, it becomes searchable. It becomes searchable just like if someone wrote an article where Google can read all that information, YouTube can read the transcript of your video that you're uploading So understanding the algorithm is super important. Some things I'll call out here is engagement. When you first post your video, the algorithm's looking at how much engagement it's getting within those first few minutes, that first hour, to determine how far it's gonna deliver it in the news feeds. Now, this works a little bit different across different platforms, but one of my recommendations would be, before you post this video, tell a few of your closest friends that you're gonna be posting this video and ask them to share. Actually, tell them what time you're gonna post the video at. And even after you post the video, send them a link and ask them to share. If you get a lot of engagement, a lot of traction happening relatively quickly, it will start to push your video up on the feed and help it rank better organically. And then the last thing, you want to include a call to action. Tell your users what you want them to do at the end of the video after they watched it. Do you want them to share it? Do you want them to buy something from you? Do you want them to subscribe? Let them know exactly what you want them to do, and include one single call to action. Don't ask them to do multiple things. Try to keep it to one single call to action. That tends to work a lot better. Quick bonus for you guys, amplification. So when you first post these videos, again, you can't really guarantee that your video will go viral, but it is a lot more likely to go viral if more people are seeing the video. Obviously, your personal network is only gonna take you so far, but you can use paid tactics such as pushing ads behind your video to actually get to additional people that could potentially help it go viral. A true story, I actually created a video a while ago. It ended up going viral on Facebook, funny enough. And what I did to make it go viral was I posted it to my business Facebook page. And after a few hours, it didn't have that many views. So what I did is I took $60, I boosted a post, and I pushed it to people that were interested, that I thought were interested in that content. And it actually ended up working, and the video ended up getting 2 million impressions, and it was watched 200 to 300,000 times, I believe. You could definitely use ads to propel virality. Definitely, you wanna make sure that your content has, these basic principles first and foremost taken care of. And then you can use, a few dollars to push it along. But overall, if you follow these principles, it's not gonna guarantee your video will go viral, but it is a lot more likely that it will. And these are the principles I've used in the past to make several videos go viral. So if you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you found the information useful. And as always, remember that this is where we simplify marketing so that you can grow your digital influence and your business. Till the next video, peace.